From dummies that dodge bullets to drones that think faster than you blink. Today, we dive into the most cutting-edge military technology that is reshaping the battlefield. Are you ready to see the future of combat? Let us get started. Hector. The bullet-dodging dummy. Meet Hector, no ordinary crash test dummy. This high-tech marvel is designed to take a hit, literally. Crafted from unique materials, Hector ensures that there are no ricochets, making it safe for both indoor and outdoor shooting practice, but it does not stop there. Hector can move at speeds of up to 32 kilometers per hour, giving trainees a real challenge. What is more, each shot is detected in real time with 360-degree coverage, and the results instantly appear on a smartphone application. Organizers can even customize training scenarios, such as setting a specific number of shots needed to take down Hector. It is like training against a real, unpredictable opponent, perfect for military forces, police, and shooting clubs alike. Viper 300, the game-changing drone. Now, imagine a drone that weighs just 2.8 kilograms but can strike a target within a 5-kilometer radius. That is the Viper 300, a combat unmanned aerial vehicle that is rewriting the rules of engagement. Powered by advanced artificial intelligence algorithms, the Viper 300 analyzes countless scenarios in real time to choose the most effective targeting strategy. And with a speed of 27 meters per second, it is no slouch in the speed department either. But what really sets the Viper 300 apart is its versatility. It comes in blocks that can be mounted on armored vehicles, allowing for the release of drones either one at a time or in swarms. It is a game changer for any battlefield. XM204. The Smart Landmine landmines are getting smarter, and the XM204 is a prime example. This advanced system has caught the attention of the United States military, which recently signed a purchase agreement. Just one container of XM204 mines can secure an area the size of an American football field. How? The system identifies vehicles from up to a kilometer away using 3 different sensors. Once a target is identified, an onboard computer decides if it is a valid target and then waits until the vehicle is within a 50-meter range before deploying the mines. And here's the kicker. The entire container, with 4 mines inside, weighs just 38 kilograms, making it easy for 2 soldiers to carry and deploy. There is no need to bury these mines. They are effective right on the surface. NEVESTA-S, the thermal imaging sight. When it comes to spotting targets at long distances, the NEVESTA-S thermal imaging sight is in a league of its own. One of its standout features is its cutting-edge technology that allows it to activate in just 3 seconds. Once powered up, it operates in automatic mode, adjusting settings on the fly as observation conditions change. The image can be displayed on an external device, and a remote control can be connected if needed. Mounted on a Picatinny rail, the NEVESTA-S is built to function in extreme temperatures, from a scorching 50 degrees Celsius to a freezing minus 30 degrees Celsius. Whether it is day or night, this thermal sight ensures nothing escapes detection. 120mm mortar weapon system. Dependable and versatile, the 120mm mortar weapon system is a solid companion in any combat scenario. This manual muzzle-loaded mortar features a dual recoil damping system and automatic compensation for platform roll and pitch within a 20-degree range. The control interface is user-friendly, almost like playing a video game. Just press one button to aim and another to correct your aim between shots. And speaking of shots, this system can fire up to 20 rounds per minute. Quick disassembly in just 60 seconds makes it easy to switch between smoothbore and rifled configurations, adapting to the mission's needs with minimal downtime. JARML, Anti-Drone Defense System. With the rise of unmanned aerial vehicles on the battlefield, anti-drone systems like JARML are becoming essential. Developed for the Turkish military, JARML is a semi-autonomous system that only fires when commanded by an operator. It is mounted on the Kiri Armored Personnel Carrier and features a powerful 5-kilowatt laser unit capable of neutralizing drones within a 2-kilometer range. But JARML does not stop there. It can detect and counteract other airborne threats up to 5 kilometers away. In a world where drones are increasingly used in warfare, having a system like JARML on your side could make all the difference. The Cube, Versatile Sea Mine System. Let us talk about the Cube, a Danish sea mine laying system that is as versatile as it is effective. What is remarkable about the Cube is its compatibility with both civilian and military vessels, making it incredibly adaptable. Whether installed on an internal or open deck, this system is ready to go, even without specialized ships. The Cube can establish coastal mine protection in no time, and it works with all recognized mine brands. With 3 operational modes, manual, semi-automatic, and fully automatic, the Cube is a formidable tool for any Navy looking to safeguard its waters. ROCUS. The road demining robot ROCUS is a robot designed to make one of the most dangerous tasks, road demining, a bit safer. Its versatile arm extends up to 4 meters and can perform various tasks, from cutting wires to lifting objects. Depending on the mission, ROCUS can be equipped with different modules, and reconfiguration typically takes less than 2 hours. This robot is not just about versatility, it is also fast, reaching speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour, and a full tank of diesel gives it 10 hours of operational time. Whether it is clearing a path or dealing with improvised explosive devices, ROCUS is up to the task. H-band long-range special operations vehicle. The fast and light reconnaissance vehicle. Speed and agility are the hallmarks of the H-band long-range special operations vehicle, a 4x4 vehicle designed for reconnaissance missions. Despite its lightweight design, it is packed with power, thanks to a 296 horsepower engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. It can reach speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour and tackle slopes with a 60% incline. The open design does not hinder its ability to cross water obstacles up to a meter deep, making it ideal for a variety of terrains. With a range of 700 kilometers, the H-band long-range special operations vehicle is ready for long missions, and its modular design allows for quick adjustments to meet the specific needs of any operation. RF Hunter, drone and operator detector. The RF Hunter is a small but mighty system, capable of detecting not only drones but also their operators. Developed in Cyprus and showcased at Eurosatori, it is designed for portability and can be carried in a backpack or mounted on a vehicle. Despite its small size, the RF Hunter is incredibly powerful, detecting up to 248 radio sources in real time. The geolocation information is displayed on an interactive map, and with some modifications, the RF Hunter can even handle electronic warfare tasks. It is a versatile tool in the fight against modern threats. Zodiac MilPro FC470, the ultimate inflatable boat. The Zodiac MilPro FC470 is a workhorse on the water, and it is easy to see why it is favored by special forces around the world. This inflatable boat can carry up to 10 people and reach speeds of 41 kilometers per hour. What makes the FC470 truly special is its ability to be airdropped into water without a parachute at low altitudes. It can also be concealed in a special underwater hiding spot, making it invaluable during covert night operations. With its robust design and innovative features, the FC470 is the top choice for those who need to move quickly and quietly on the water. Manta Ray, the next generation unmanned underwater vehicle. Although still in development, the Manta Ray is already making waves as one of the first in a new category of unmanned underwater vehicles. This prototype is designed for lengthy and complex missions, such as autonomous mine deployment. What sets the Manta Ray apart is its ability to enter hibernation mode between missions, conserving energy by descending to the ocean floor. Its modular design also allows it to fit into 5 standard shipping containers, making it easy to transport and deploy. Once fully developed, the Manta Ray is expected to be a game changer in underwater warfare. Kugelpanzer, the mysterious ball tank. The Kugelpanzer, or ball tank, is a relic from the 1930s that still sparks curiosity today. Built by Germany, this unusual tank is now housed in a museum in Kubinka, Russia. Despite its modest 25 horsepower engine, which only allowed it to reach 8 kilometers per hour, the Kugelpanzer was a unique concept. Its exact purpose remains a mystery, though some speculate it was intended as a mobile fire adjustment post. Interestingly, the Soviet Union also experimented with ball-shaped tanks, with designs that were even more ambitious, like Boris Miko's and Nikolai Vito's versions. These designs aimed for higher speeds and more firepower, proving that the idea of a ball tank was more than just a passing fad. M110 Howitzer, the timeless powerhouse. The M110 self-propelled howitzer may have an unassuming name, but its impact on the battlefield is anything but. The M110 self-propelled howitzer may have an unassuming name, but its impact on the battlefield is anything but. First produced in 1962, the M110 remains in service in several countries today, including Greece and Iran. It is easy to see why. This 203mm caliber howitzer was one of the most powerful of its time, with a range of 24 kilometers and a top speed of 55 kilometers per hour. The M110 has seen action in numerous conflicts, from the Vietnam War to the Persian Gulf, proving its reliability and firepower time and again. Its ability to deliver devastating artillery fire while remaining mobile makes it a timeless asset in the field of military artillery. Rheinmetall HX3 trucks, the future of military logistics. Military logistics often hinge on the reliability of vehicles like the Rheinmetall HX series trucks. First introduced in 2003, these trucks quickly became a favorite, especially with the British Armed Forces. Today, the HX3 model represents the pinnacle of this evolution. It is packed with features that enhance both protection and performance, like an improved cab design for better visibility and an optional active suspension system on the rear axles for superior off-road maneuverability. What is more, the HX3 trucks can be unloaded by a single soldier without leaving the cab, and remote control operation is also available. Mechanics appreciate that all HX models, from 4x4 to 10x10, share the same spare parts, simplifying maintenance and logistics. Whether traversing rugged terrain or transporting essential supplies, the HX3 is built to keep up with the demands of modern military operations. Exo-Skin S1. Protective suit, the armor of tomorrow. In a world where chemical and biological threats are a growing concern, the Exo-Skin S1 protective suit is a crucial piece of gear. Designed by Avon Protection, this suit offers 24-hour protection against a wide range of threats, including vapors, liquids, and solids. It is also compatible with other protective gear, providing an added layer of radiation protection. Despite its impressive capabilities, the Exo-Skin S1 is 30% lighter than comparable models, making it more comfortable and easier to wear during extended operations. For soldiers who need to blend into their surroundings, there is also a camouflage version available in patterns suited to forests, snowy areas, and deserts. The suit even includes weapon camouflage, ensuring that every part of the soldier remains hidden from enemy sight. Adjustable drawstrings allow for a perfect fit, accommodating various body types and equipment. Lubawa-SA Vehicle Shield. The anti-grenade defense protecting military vehicles from high-explosive anti-tank grenades is a critical task, and Lubawa-SA's innovative vehicle shield is designed to do just that. This shield is deceptively simple in design, essentially a net made of strings attached to a composite or aluminum frame, yet it is highly effective at neutralizing the threat of incoming grenades. Weighing only 4.75 kilograms per square meter, the shield adds minimal weight to the vehicle, preserving its mobility. Its modular design also means that damaged sections can be easily replaced or repaired, ensuring that vehicles remain protected even after multiple engagements. This combination of lightweight construction and easy maintenance makes the Lubawa-SA vehicle shield a valuable addition to any armored vehicle. Raptor patrol boats. The Coastal Defender's coastal operations require fast, agile, and well-armed vessels, and the Project 03160 Raptor patrol boats fit the bill perfectly. These boats are designed for a variety of missions beyond just patrolling, including transporting landing groups of up to 20 individuals and assisting in search and rescue operations. With a top speed of 89 kilometers per hour, the Raptor is one of the fastest patrol boats in its class, and its range of 480 kilometers ensures it can cover a wide area without needing to refuel. Armed with 14.5mm and 7.62mm machine guns, the Raptor is more than capable of defending itself and its crew during hostile encounters. Whether it is patrolling the coastline or providing rapid response capabilities, The Raptor patrol boat is a versatile and dependable asset for any navy. Spectro XR, the all-seeing eye. As threats become more sophisticated, so too must the surveillance and reconnaissance equipment used to counter them. Enter the Spectro XR, a multispectral electro-optical system that is as versatile as it is powerful. Capable of being mounted on airborne, maritime, and ground platforms, the Spectro XR is designed to operate in a variety of environments, ignoring obstacles like fog, high humidity, and haze. It uses advanced artificial intelligence technology to detect and identify both moving and stationary objects, tracking up to 5 targets simultaneously. Operators can also take advantage of features like image fusion and an artificial intelligence analytics suite to enhance their situational awareness. In 2021, an Asia-Pacific country recognized the value of the Spectro XR, placing an $80 million United States order for the system. With capabilities like these, it is easy to see why the Spectro XR is becoming a critical tool for modern militaries. Near-Rod radio frequency, the drone jamming gun. As drones become more prevalent, so does the need for effective countermeasures. The near-Rod radio frequency is a prime example of such a tool designed to neutralize drones by jamming their radio signals. Developed by MC2 Technologies, this portable gun can be ready to fire in just 30 seconds, delivering a powerful dose of radio jamming signals within 5 seconds. This disrupts the drone's connection with its operator, forcing it to either land or return to its takeoff point, depending on the settings. The near-Rod radio frequency can target up to 7 frequency ranges simultaneously, making it highly effective against a wide variety of drones. It is no wonder that this system has been adopted by the French armed forces and others, providing a reliable defense against the growing drone threat. And there you have it, a glimpse into the future of military technology. From bullet-dodging dummies to artificial intelligence-powered drones, these innovations are not just changing the battlefield, they are revolutionizing how we think about warfare. If you enjoyed this deep dive into cutting-edge military technology, do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more. Let us know in the comments which piece of technology you found most intriguing, and stay tuned for our next video where we will explore even more fascinating developments. Thank you for watching.